There are countless plants to forage if you have to in an emergency, but not all of them are safe. Among the many plants that we find in our landscapes, some harbor deadly secrets. So we're going to take a look at 15 common plants that can kill you and show you those that are often mistaken for their harmless counterparts. Oleander. This popular ornamental shrub is deadly. Every part is toxic, and its leaves resemble those of other non-toxic plants, making it a pretty risky mix-up. Deadly nightshade or belladonna. With berries that might look enticing to the untrained eye, deadly nightshade is often confused with blueberries. Ingestion can lead to fatal outcomes due to its potent toxins. Water hemlock. This plant closely resembles edible parsnips or celery, but it is one of the most dangerous and poisonous plants in North America. Even a small bite can be fatal, causing severe seizures. Foxglove. Foxglove, which is often mistaken for comfrey, which is used in herbal teas, contains digitalis, a powerful heart medication that is deadly in the wrong dosage. Lily of the valley. This sweet-scented, bell-shaped flowers may look charming, but they contain cardiac glycosides, similar to those in foxglove, and can be mistaken for wild garlic if not carefully identified. Rhododendrons. Often confused with bay leaves, rhododendron leaves are highly toxic and can induce coma or death if ingested. Jimson weed. This hallucinogenic plant is sometimes mistaken for harmless herbs like sage. Its toxic properties can cause delirium and life-threatening responses. The castor bean. Famed for its deadly seed, which contains ricin, castor bean plants are occasionally mistaken for harmless plants like okra. Yew-berries. The fruit is deceptively sweet, and the entire plant is often confused with safe berries. However, its seeds and foliage are highly toxic, capable of stopping the heart. Pokeberry. Pokeberry plants resemble elderberry, which is edible when cooked. However, pokeberry is highly toxic, especially its roots and its seeds. Elderberry. While elderberries are safe when they're cooked, the raw berries, the leaves, and the branches contain cyanide-inducing chemicals, often confused with harmless berries. The manchineel tree. This tropical tree, known as the tree of death, produces fruits that look like small apples but are extraordinarily poisonous. The tree itself is often mistaken for other non-toxic tropical trees. Daffodil. In early spring, daffodil bulbs can be mistaken for onions. Eating them causes severe gastrointestinal distress, and it can be fatal. Hemlock. This infamous plant that killed Socrates looks much like parsley or wild carrot, also known as Queensland lace, but it's deadly, causing muscular paralysis and death. Autumn crocus. Often confused with wild garlic, autumn crocus contains colchicine, a potent compound that causes severe vomiting, organ failure, and can be fatal if ingested. With plants as deadly as these hiding in plain sight, it's crucial to know what you're looking at before you touch, pick, or eat anything unfamiliar. So before you begin foraging in an SHTF situation, be 100% sure you know what you're picking to eat. Your life could very well depend on it.